All right, so in this video, we are going to expand and simplify some of these polynomial equations over here. So let's start with these two examples of the easier ones. To begin with, I want to multiply out these two brackets. So I'm going to start by multiplying my x by all three terms over here. Basically do these three multiplications to begin with. So x times x squared is x cubed, minus x times x is x squared, and x times -2 is minus 2x. And then I'm going to multiply this constant by all three terms. So that's plus 2x squared minus 2x minus 4. Once I multiply everything out, I'm just going to combine like terms. So there's only one x cubed term. Negative x squared plus 2x squared is just x squared. Negative 2x minus 2x is negative 4x. And I just have the constant of negative 4 at the end. Let's take a look at this second example here. So x squared times x squared is x to the power of 4. X squared times negative 3x is negative 3x cubed. And x squared times 5 is 5x squared. And then 1 times this equation is just the exact same equation. So I'll do that pretty quick. I just did 1 times all of those and wrote them there. And we want to combine like terms. So again, only one x4 term, only one x cubed term. 5x squared plus x squared is 6x squared. Then only one x term and only one constant. So that's my final solution for the second one. Let's go to the next question. I'm going to write it down here. I don't have them all pre-written. So it's 1 minus x cubed times 2 plus 3x minus 6x squared plus 2x cubed minus x to the power of 4. The same thing, I'm multiplying 1 out with all these terms, and then I'm multiplying out negative x cubed with all these terms. So 1 times all these terms will just give us the exact same equation. I just wrote this whole thing down because 1 times that is this, and then negative x cubed times all these terms. So I'm going to start with negative 2x cubed. This times this is negative 3x4. This times this is positive 6x5. This times this is negative 2x6. And this times this is positive x to the power of 7. Then I want to combine like terms. I'll start by just writing the x to the power of 7. It's the largest term and it's by itself. And also cross things off to make your life a bit easier in case there's too many terms. I'll do that for this example. And there's only one x6 term, negative 2x6. It's only one x5 term, positive 6x5. There's two x4 terms, so negative x4 minus 3x4 is just negative 4x4. 2x cubed minus 2x cubed just cancels off, that's just 0, so don't even have to write an x cubed term. Then I have negative 6x squared plus 3x plus 2. And that is my final solution for this one. Next one over here is x plus 3 times x minus 1 minus x minus 5 times x minus 2. So this one's a pretty simple one. All we're going to do is we're going to FOIL out the brackets over here. We'll start by FOILing out these two brackets. So x squared minus x plus 3x minus 3. And when you FOIL out these two brackets, since there's a negative sign here, always put a negative and start with a bracket or you won't get the right answer. X times x is x squared minus 2x minus 5x plus 10. Then I'll combine the two middle terms here and here. So this is just x squared plus 2x minus 3. And over here, it's just x squared minus 7x plus 10. Then I'll distribute this negative into the bracket. It will change the signs of everything inside the bracket. Negative x squared plus 7x minus 10. And last step, I'll combine like terms. X squared and negative x squared just cancel. 2x plus 7x is 9x. Negative 3 minus 10 is negative 13. The next question is 3 times 2 minus x, x minus 4, plus x minus 1 squared. So in this question, we have an exponent. We want to start by getting rid of the exponent. So 2 minus x, x minus 4, and I'm going to write this bracket out twice. So x minus 1 squared is just replaced with this. Next, I'm just going to FOIL out the two brackets. If you have any numbers on the outside, just leave them and then put a bracket. So here I have 2x minus 8 minus x squared plus 4x. And over here, I don't need the bracket anymore because it's just a plus. There's no number, there's no negative. X squared minus x plus 1. I'll combine like terms over here and over here. So 3 negative x squared plus 6x minus 8. This is just x squared minus 2x plus 1. Now I'll distribute this 3 into the bracket. So negative 3x squared plus 18x minus 24 plus x squared minus 2x plus 1. Now I'll combine like terms. So negative 3x squared plus x squared is negative 2x squared. 18 minus 2 is 16x. Negative 24 plus 1 is negative 23. And we have the next question, which is 2 times 3x minus 2 squared minus 4 times x minus 1, 2x plus 5. I think I'll do this as the last question. I guess I could do one more after this, slightly more difficult. So I'm going to get rid of my exponent here and write this bracket out twice. This just stays the same for now. I like to get rid of my exponents first. I'm going to FOIL out the two brackets. I'll leave the numbers on the outside with a bracket. This is 9x squared minus 6x minus 6x plus 4. And this is 2x squared plus 5x minus 2x minus 5. I'll combine like terms in the bracket. So this becomes negative 12x. And this becomes positive 3x. I'll distribute my numbers into the brackets. 18x squared minus 24x plus 8. 8x squared minus 12x plus 20. And last step, I will combine like terms. These two give me 10x squared minus 36x plus 28. Like I said, I'll do one last question. It's not too difficult, honestly, but just want to make sure you don't make any silly mistakes when doing this question. This is slightly different. I'm going to get rid of my exponents out here first by writing out my brackets twice. Now I'm going to FOIL out the two brackets. So 2x squared times 2x squared is 4x4. That's a common place where people make a mistake. And I have negative 2x squared minus 2x squared plus 1. Over here, I have a negative sign, so I'm going to include my bracket. 16 minus 4x squared minus 4x squared plus x to the power of 4. Combine my like terms in the middle. 4x4 minus 4 x squared plus 1 minus 16 minus 8x squared plus x4. Now distribute this negative into the bracket. And then I'll combine like terms. So 4x4 minus x4 is just 3x4. Negative 4x squared plus 8x squared is positive 4x squared. And 1 minus 16 is minus 15. And that is my final solution.